Guys, it's Friday the 13th. Still, it's in the night. It's pretty much like bad luck day. So my grandmother lost gas today, as I told you guys in the last vlog. But I told her that I was gonna take her out to go eat some food. Now this place for me is a little bit special. Well, not a little bit special, it's very special, because when I was younger, my dad and my mom and I used to go there, not every Friday night like this, but like most Friday nights. Because you guys know, if you're Jamaican, like on a Friday night you go to KFC or something like that. But this place is called Far Out Fish Hut, and they sell like fish food, pretty much like seafood or hopefully lobster. Right now it's not lobster season, but hopefully I can get something. So we're gonna go there and see exactly what it is. I haven't taken my grandmother out of the house, because you know she's getting older and she doesn't really want to go out so much. I think she says she's 83. So that's what I'm gonna do. We're going to Far Out Fish Hut, just chill out a little bit, you know, get something to eat. And I hope you guys, whenever you guys get here, you guys actually try this for yourself. I can tell you, amazing. You say ready? You warm up. Can smell the perfume from here, so man, yeah, kick. So guys, pretty much it's pretty full in here, we're not gonna lie, because it's not like a really big establishment at all. And there's maybe like 15, 20 cars here. So, yo, this place is definitely a really nice place to eat. You see me? Normally I always take out my woman, but nice my grandma. Like, what you say? Yeah. But what you want to eat? Did you even come and ask and see what you want to eat? Yeah? You need to ask and see what you want to eat. I don't know for ask. Eh? They want to ask. Where? They might come and just talk to you? I don't even know. The last time I was here, they didn't do that. But let's see. Alright, what I see, guys? What kind of fish? Parrot fish? And bami? Yeah, bake bami. Steam bami. Alright. Where do I order? You guys have lobster? You guys have lobster? Yeah, I got it. Let's double check it. Hold on. Grandma, what kind of fish you want? No, fry or steam? Steam part? Alright. I want a parrot, steam parrot. On a only grouper, not even snapper. Alright, give me steam grouper and steam bummy. And I want a fried grouper and fried bami. On a festival and something? What else do you guys serve here at the moment? Huh? Only bami and plants? As in green plants? I remember one time we used to like choose our own fish. We do that same thing? So I go on, you know? Alright, cool. What y'all drink? Yeah, ginger beer. Ginger beer? I thought you were gonna drink some liquor, like no Heineken, no? Oh my gosh, alright. They have that something, the Malta. Malta? Yeah, they have Malta. Alright. Yeah, Malta, Malta. Malta or ginger beer? Malta. So pretty much we gotta walk around to like the back part here where we get to pick the fish. Only? Let's see what you guys got. Is grouper generally a good fish though? Like, which one is better, like Dr. Fish or grouper? How you working? You don't know this? No, just give me a nice, two nice sized ones. Guys, normally they normally have like other fish like Doctor and Snapper and Parrot, but today, yeah. pretty much working with what we got right now. It don't matter. Yeah, one steam, one fry. Give me the bigger one fry. Or if you can.
One of them bigger? Which one bigger?
Give me two big ones. They don't, because one for my grandmother and one for Can I get two Maltas, please? Do I pay or do I put in a bill? Put in a bill? Okay. Thank you. So my grandmother was like, she wants some soup, so we're getting some fish soup. I want to see how good that is. Like, I really wish they had like all the food stuff that I normally do have, but as I said, like lobsters and season right now. So not a wide selection of fish today, but usually they have all types of fish. Maybe they got all sold out. I don't know, but it's pretty late here now. Maybe like almost 9 o'clock. How your soup taste? Tastes good?
He said bye. When she come down, she and the other girl get glad. The boy, I just smell one girl reach over UK. You know his boyfriend then come with them too. He said, Mommy, but they will have one exam to take a town. Until they say, we just play with best. Everything we ready. You know, say a long time, you know, so you know. So you are imagine, you know.
So this here that we're drinking is, they call it fish tea, pretty much, but it's like a soup. It's like the, how can I say, like the fish is cooked in it with vegetables and stuff. It's pretty good. In Jamaica, of course, we eat this to, you know, open your appetite, pretty much. Or it's a bossa gas.
Bossa gas.
Yeah.
My place, you don't fucking matter, you're a madman. You're a madman. If you hit that, you can't come in, huh? That's why we never have people there now.
So as you guys can see, that this restaurant is pretty much just by the seaside. What I like about this restaurant is typically street food. It's not like the, how can I say, the conventional kind of restaurants where you're gonna go in there and they're gonna serve you all fancy or whatever. It's just like a little hut off the side of the road, as you guys can see back there. Basic Jamaican food. I mean, of course, over the years, it has changed a lot, because before it was just like a typical, just basic hut, no seatings like this. But of course, the things, you know, develop. But pretty good. Ah, here we go.
You are here. Gina, your mother? Me God.
Nice fried
fish.
fish.
Jean, man.
It's a bit dark out here.
Yeah, are you?
Me, yeah.
Oh, nice to meet you.
Yes,
she always talk about you.
Yeah, man. Nice girl. Oh, you're drive. Okay, then.
Nice fried fish. Thank you. Which one I buy me them on mine? Okay.
But this, you tell them say steam. This look like a fry one.
Yeah, I fry one.
This looks so.
Nice. Nice and steam. Nice. So as usual, like, food here never fails, I swear. Bami, nicely fried fish, It's my first time ever having a grouper. And it's pretty good. I swear.
You know what, you know? I'm just saying you can hold a man.
Nice. For those of you who might be wondering, like this here, it's onions, but it's escovitched, meaning it's like in a bit of pepper and vinegar, so it's not like that pungent onion taste. Is it missing? Is it missing? Grandma, no one on this eat. No other drink, sorry. No more juice. No, no juice.
I eat anything for me juice. You don't get a very awfully real quick.
So they say food nice. Grandma Kerpers are steamed bami and fish head. Guys, so we just got back home and it was pretty good. The food was really good. Tomorrow I'll go back, so I can definitely show you guys, like, you know, how the place looks in the day, the whole water and all that stuff. Because tomorrow I feel like I want to eat some conch. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna try maybe to go to the beach or whatever. But right now I'm just gonna chill my grandma. You know, talk with her a little bit. Like just now, my grandma, like, she told me I must close like the front gate. So I'm like, yo, me if I go close, I met nobody come take me. I was joking, but I hear grandma, she was like, but me will see. So I'm like, if you see, like, what you gonna do, like, like you can't even run down the mud. Oh god. But yeah, anyway, I'm gonna end this vlog here. Remember these 3 things, guys, as always: love, nature, adaptation. And if you love the video, matter of fact, I know you love the video. If you got this far, you better hit that like button, man. Do the damn thing. And hit the subscribe button as well. And I'll see you guys next time. Keep the link.
All I am is a man. I want